Welcome to the wonderful world of arugula. Ever wondered about this leafy green with a kick? You're in the right place. Let's introduce you to the star of our show, arugula. This versatile green is more than just a salad base. Arugula, often called rocket salad in other parts of the world, is a member of the brassica family, just like broccoli and kale. What makes arugula stand out is its distinct, slightly pungent, peppery flavor, adding a refreshing bite to any dish. This leafy green has a rich history, with origins stretching back to the Mediterranean region where it has been enjoyed for centuries. Beyond its taste, arugula is a powerhouse of nutrients. Let's delve into its fantastic health benefit. Arugula is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, all essential for maintaining a healthy body. It's also high in antioxidants and beneficial phytonutrients that help protect your cells from damage. Regular consumption of arugula may contribute to strong bones due to its vitamin K content and support heart health. Arugula is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Let's explore some delicious ways to incorporate it into your meals. Arugula is perfect for quick salads. Try pairing it with cherry tomatoes, a simple vinaigrette, and a touch of cheese for a refreshing side. Don't stop at salads. Arugula adds a fantastic peppery freshness to pizza and pasta dishes, especially when added right after cooking. Its strong flavor profile pairs wonderfully with rich ingredients like Parmesan, goat cheese, and various proteins like steak or chicken. Want the freshest arugula possible? It's surprisingly easy to grow right in your own garden or on a windowsill. Arugula is a fast-growing, low-maintenance green. Sow seeds directly in the soil and thin them out as they sprout. It prefers cooler weather, making it great for spring and fall planting. Harvest the outer leaves as needed for continuous growth. In conclusion, arugula is a fantastic leafy green, offering robust flavor, numerous health benefits, and culinary flexibility. It's an easy way to boost your nutrient intake and add that desirable peppery zing to your everyday meals. We encourage you to grab some arugula and try a new recipe today. Share your favorite arugula creations in the comments below.